Hi, my name is Shannon, and I'm the social media community liaison for Schluter-Systems North America. I hope that you and your family are staying safe and healthy wherever you are. I'm at my home in New Jersey, and I'm here to offer you what I hope is a helpful tip. My job is to connect people in online communities with all of the resources we have available for them at Schluter. But today I want to talk about what I think is the most valuable resource that we have to offer, and that's a direct relationship with us. Schluter has a massive amount of boots on the ground. There's probably one of us just down the road from you right now. And under normal circumstances, our teams are out in the field every day in your area doing product demos and CEU presentations, on-the-job training, hosting workshops. They're networking with all of the same people that you want to be connected to. Even now, they're still doing all of those things with video conferencing and FaceTime and just good old-fashioned phone calls. So whether you're someone who designs with and specifies Schluter, or you're a dealer who is stocking and selling our products, and especially if you're a contractor who's responsible for installing them, if you don't know who your local rep is and they don't know who you are, you're missing out. All you have to do is call customer service. You tell them where you're located, whether it's in the United States or Canada, and they'll give you your local rep's contact info. They can even just forward the call directly to that person. So while we're with a little extra time right now on our hands, this is a great time to reach out. Hopefully I've given you some good reasons to do that. So have that relationship, make that connection. It's just waiting for you. Anyway, that's my tip. So stay safe, and I hope we hear from you.